Wasn't easy because I had to share everything I had growing up with one brother, 5 sisters. That was, whew, I had to wear a bra just to fit in. Thank you. Hi. If you have brothers growing up too, that's one thing. Brothers growing up, you get like, noogies, wedgies. I had 5 sisters. What did I get? Makeovers. They used to dress me in their clothes and send me to school in their fashions. I'm the only kid in 8th grade wearing jellies. Nice. Nice. Remember jellies? Remember you get a rock in and be like, Monopoly. There's a game everybody had, and I don't care who you are, you did not like the game, and it's simple why. It's simple, because this is anybody 2.5 hours into a game of Monopoly. Ready? Here it is. I quit!
For more information, check out
www.danecook.com.